Everyone thinks that the game is to build a business that sells to the government. But if you don't have a business already, it's going to be very hard to sell to the government. The smarter, faster path is you build a consulting business that helps companies sell to the government. My name's Rick Howard. I'm a former government acquisitions officer. I managed over $82 billion in contracts for the Department of Defense. Now I train professionals to become elite sales executives and consultants in the federal marketplace. Companies that want to sell to the U.S. government are stuck. They don't understand the process of how the federal government buys their products or services. This is where you come in. As a consultant, your job is to guide businesses through the federal sales process. And this is extremely valuable to companies because the U.S. government is the single biggest purchaser of goods and services in the world. When you understand a process like government contracting, it can drive results for companies that are selling in the federal marketplace. You have just created a career for yourself that is extremely valuable, flexible, and respected. If you've been watching my content for a while and wondering if this could work for you, well, this is your signal. Book a call with my team. They're going to walk you through the entire GovClose certification process, what it looks like to start a government contract consulting career, and if you're a good fit for the program. You've already seen the results in some of our videos. Now it's time to book that call and let's make something happen. We'll see you on the inside.